body pain, stress, fatigue, and most common painful conditions affect 30 to 50% of the population all over the world due to the nature of their work and age. Cupping and moxibustion have been practiced for centuries as an effective traditional Chinese practice to alleviate and cure many symptoms or diseases like insomnia, spondylolysis, dysmenorrhea, backache, arthritis, prostate-related disease, and more. Easy to operate on many parts of the body, and with the Bluetooth remote control, you can perform therapy on hard-to-reach areas such as your back. Have a strong and a healthy body with AcheFly. Moxibustion and cupping used to be a very complicated procedure. It requires extra personnel to deploy the therapy. What's more annoying is that you have to stay still while having this therapy. Introducing AcheFly, the multifunctional, state-of-the-art cupping, moxitherapy device that utilizes smart moxibustion, cupping, scraping, massage, acupoint pressure, acupuncture, and electric pulse. EMS, all in on. With AcheFly, you can perform the cupping, moxitherapy all by yourself at the comfort of your home or even on the go. Powerful enough for clinical use and safe enough to use at home. The effective and affordable solution that is 100% drug-free, non-invasive with no side effects.